Yes, indeed, you have been voting all morning to see who is going to get all of those glorious, luscious buckets of slime. Naomi and Reese, come on over, please, my darlings.
Hello.
Lovely, lovely,
Hi,
lovely.
nice
How
to
are we
meet you.
feeling?
Really awful. I've just
Yes.
seen how many buckets are around the place.
Whole lot
She
of
did just take a
buckets.
little peekaroo, indeed. Okay, so I have my
Wow.
massive golden envelope.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Terrific. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Don't cry, dear. Don't cry.
You said it's
okay.
horrid.
It is absolutely awful. Yeah. But don't get scared. I can reveal. With 53% of the vote, the
Ooh.
star
53?
getting slimed
Come on.
is Naomi.
Come on!
Dear, please. Oh, get up. Come on, we have to
Thank
sit
you,
down
thank
over
you.
here. Sit
Mwah.
down.
I'm in a country park.
There
I've got
we go.
long hair and there's no hair dryers.
Oh, how are you feeling,
It's
darling?
fine. It's fine. It's
Yes, it is.
fine.
Well, guess what? It is time for Question Slime.
Reese, you're saying...
Welcome to Question Slime. I'm David Dimbleby.
And I'm David Dimble.
Yes, she is. Naomi, you have been chosen by the public vote to be slimed on Question Slime. But how much slime ends up on you depends on how many questions you want to get right.
Yes, well, for every question you get correct, you get a point. For every question you get incorrect, you get glorious, luscious,
Delicious
buckets
slime.
of slime all over you.
Good to see, good to see. Can we please have 90 seconds on the clock?
My questions.
90?
90 seconds.
90 seconds. We're getting into
Nine would
position.
be
I'd complain later rather than now.
Right, everyone get into position, please.
I don't know
Okay.
what to say.
Your Question Slime starts now. Who released the song Paradise in 2018?
Coldplay.
Incorrect, slime her. Henry VIII had 6 wives. What was the name of his 3rd wife?
Third.
3rd.
Anne Boleyn.
Slime her. Incorrect. According to NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, what is the radius of the Earth at the equator in kilometers?
That's ridiculous. I do not know.
Slime her! According to the official chart company, which artist was 2017's UK Christmas #1?
I literally didn't listen to that question because I was just feeling it drip.
Well,
Feels like
feel
close
it
to
even
me.
more! Slime her!
I'm getting better at it.
What is the top colour in a rainbow?
Red.
Correct! 1 point! On average, how many hours does a wild elephant sleep per night?
I don't know. I should know and I don't.
It's incorrect. 2. Oh. What fan name is given to Pixie Lot's fans?
Lottie.
No, you might as well just stop there. Incorrect. Oh, wow, right in the face. Ooh. Where is the world's deepest lake?
Deepest lake. I don't know.
Oh, that's not good.
Slime her. Oh, gosh.
Oh, that one.
What is the correct name given to a triangle with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles? Yes, correct, and we are over. Your time is up. Okay, you got 2 points correct.
2 points correct. Let's get to the leaderboard. That's 2 points. However, we couldn't leave you there. No, here at Saturday Mashup, or Friday Mashup today, as it happens, we're going to give you one more opportunity to increase your score tenfold. Well, not tenfold. You get 5 more points if you get it right. Our big question, however, if you get this question wrong, you face the Super Slime. What's the Super Slime, I hear you ask? I'll tell you what, it's 10 buckets of slime thrown at you simultaneously from this lot. Oh,
Well,
lovely
look
stuff.
at them.
Look at that face, Joe.
Wow, we really need to get into this now. All right, here is your ultimate question, Naomi. In total, how many words are there in all 7 Harry Potter books?
Oh, you are joking. 36.
That sounds...
36!
Oh, in all the books. I
That
don't
sounds a bit
titles.
silly.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
sorry, I was
no.
thinking titles.
36!
So what did she have before that?
1,884,170 words. Slime her!
Super Slime! Oh,
Ooh.
smashing, really. Lovely stuff.
Wow.
Naomi, you look in greater spirits than I anticipated. How do you feel?
Is that the end?
That is the
I've
end.
never felt so glamorous on television ever.
Oh, lovely, lovely,
Thanks,
lovely
Johnny.
stuff. Thanks for taking part
Oh
in
dear,
Question Slime.
oh dear. Well, right now I think we need to get into some music. Here it is of the winner of Got What It Takes. It's Rio Liana with